Hey everybody, Dano here, down here in the heat plant right by the wood stove. It was a beautiful sunny day here a minute ago, so much so that I haven't put a stick of wood in here since 7 o'clock. So I figured I'd try to thread this piece in there again down in the air intake hole on the bottom of the wood stove. So I got a few tools to help me out. I got a drill, I got a step bit, I got a chase tap, for that might work maybe. I might chamfer the hole a little bit to get this in and thread it by hand. So where's that other piece? Let me get this set up. Alrighty, let's get to work here. I'm gonna try to set this down so you can see what I'm doing. Yeah, that looks like pretty good. The hole's right here. That just won't work right there. That's not wanting to thread. This ain't a real tap either, so alright. Next, I'm going to just try to chamfer the hole a little bit with a step bit. Maybe. We'll see. Oh yeah. This might work. If not, I'm making the hole bigger. A little more air intake. Metal shavings sting a little bit at times. I think I got it. This doesn't have to be perfect either, just in. Oh yeah, this might work. I almost got this, I just need to face it forward. All right. That is the final product. I'll go get my compressor and see what we can do here. With this air intake, starting with compressed air.